Let's begin our journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI influences many aspects of our lives, from our smartphone apps to complex medical diagnoses, and its implications reach far into almost every industry. Here you will explore what AI is, the different types that exist, and a glimpse into its robust history and promising future. Artificial intelligence involves creating computer systems that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence. These tasks include things like recognizing speech, making decisions, and translating languages. Essentially, it's about machines being made to think and learn. The concept of AI dates back to antiquity, myths of mechanical men who could mimic human behavior. However, the scientific pursuit began in earnest in the mid-20th century. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 by John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference, where the discipline was born. Early AI research in the 1950s to 1970s involved programs capable of playing checkers and solving algebra problems. A significant milestone was achieved in AI with the development of neural networks in the 1980s, which were systems inspired by the human brain's structure and function. Artificial intelligence can be categorized mainly into two types depending on functionality and scope. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, narrow AI systems are designed to handle a single task or a narrow range of tasks. Currently, all existing AI applications fall into this category. For example, a voice recognition system can transcribe speech into text, but can't do anything beyond the task it's programmed for. General AI, or strong AI, refers to systems that can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human being can. This type of AI does not yet exist, but represents a key area of research for the future as it promises to outperform human intelligence. AI in today's world. AI technologies have seen tremendous advancements in the last decade alone. From self-driving cars to automated financial advisors, AI systems are enhancing productivity and enabling discoveries. For instance, Google's AI DeepMind has developed AlphaGo, an AI program that has beaten world champions in the complex game of Go. Looking to the future, AI is poised to transform industries in ways we are just beginning to imagine. It has the potential to solve complex problems related to climate change, healthcare, transportation, and more. Importantly, AI can augment human capabilities and act as a tool to amplify human productivity. What you learn here about the fundamentals of AI will directly benefit your understanding in future modules, where you'll delve deeper into machine learning, neural networks, and more specific applications like computer vision and natural language processing. This module aimed to lay a strong foundation in understanding what AI is, where it came from, how it is classified, and where it is heading. Recognizing the distinction between narrow and general AI today helps predict how technology might evolve and impact our world. As we move on to the next modules, keep these basics in mind as they will enhance your grasp of more complex AI concepts and applications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.